Hello everyone. I received my cordless vacuum. The T11 mate cordless vacuum cleaner. 400 watt strong suction plus lightweight, up to 60-minute run time. 5-in-1 stick handheld vacuum for deep cleaning. Pet hair, hardwood floors, carpet, cars, whatever need vacuum except for wet surface. I wouldn't put it on wet surface. Brushless motor, powerful suction, long-lasting battery, 2 modes, lightweight, versatile, flexible motorized floor brush, 5-stage filtration system. And it was $229. I got mine free through the program. But you get to invest $229 in a wonderful handheld vacuum cleaner. Yes. Well, look at all the pieces that came with it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces came in this box. Okay. Nice vacuum cleaner. Now, this is where, and it's chargeable too. Okay. This is where you turn it on right here. And this is the second mode. Okay. So, I'm going to turn it on. You hear that? Now, this is the max. Powerful suction power. And look here, this is where you dump it. Okay. Let's close it. And like I said, you get all these adapters that come with it for small little cracks around the baseboard. Then you get this here piece here, and see how you maneuver this. You can turn it. See that? It's nice vacuum cleaner. It's another piece. Nice vacuum cleaner. All these pieces that go with it. And you get these. So if you want to put it on the wall, and you just stick this piece on there, and you use this guide here and screw in the wall, and then you just take this and put this on top of that and screw it in the wall, and that's where you can hang your vacuum cleaner, charge it. You know, you'll know where it's at all times, okay? And this is the charger here. See this here? Just plug it in. And this is where you charge it, right here on the handle. Right there. And you can't wet this filter. You can't take it out and wet it. Like, you know, some other cleaners, you can wet them. But this one states that you should not wet the filter. Okay? I mean, I haven't had one that run a cordless vacuum cleaner that runs for 60 minutes. It's awesome time. Okay? You do 2 or 3 rooms, maybe 4 or 5 rooms. All right. Now, if my video helped you in any way, push that button. Let Amazon know that the videos are helping, okay? All right. So I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye for now. And I want to thank you for viewing my video. Bye-bye for now.